Ala pachoka KNCCI doroni piny owacho ket chenro makare maketo kanyakla jotimo ohala to ok geto moko agiloni okang' mar kelo pogruok duoko chien yuto mag ohala. E kinde romo margi boma Nairobi, johalago kod joket mwandu wacho ni choko osuru mokalo kiewo duoko chien dongruoge mag uchumi e pachoka. Afisa maduong' mar KNCCI Nditi wacho ni KRA onego tieg jo Kenya yore choko osuru maonge kod mibadhi kendo tielo ni keto choko mar osuru e ler bero aluora mar dongruok mag ohelni.
Africa is in a good place. The problem is we don't promote our businesses when it comes to the quality of experience. Most of the companies in Africa promise what they don't even test themselves. So the consumers, if the consumer has a voice, actually will attest to what you have promised them.
The government provides some favorable policies, like maybe reduce the taxes for companies, then we can do more for Kenya people here.
What we'd like, of course, is for the government to support the local companies and not especially have regulations that are not fitting for the community.
We want a regime, tax regime, which is predictable. This one will enable the business people to do business with a lot of ease, and also to remove double or triple